Hello and welcome to another MCO market update on Bitcoin. So Bitcoin has again been rejected. I mean, that was now so far nothing unusual. Okay, we haven't got a break above resistance yet. And the patterns we discussed in the previous updates, they are still relevant. So what we talked about in the previous update was that the price could easily form another low. Actually, that's shown here as preferred interpretation, at least on the micro level, on the nano level. And as you can see, the price could now be turning to the downside to work on the C wave to the downside in wave Y of 4 for one more low. What we want to talk about in this video is where things could land. Obviously, first of all, this is simply a sideways range. We haven't got any confirmation of a breakdown. We have no confirmation of a break to the upside. But what we can see is that the price has reacted to standard Fibonacci resistance between 85,149 and 85,715. So this is just a standard Fibonacci resistance range that we are tracking at the moment. And the price, has reacted to it and could now be setting up for that C wave to the downside, potentially just for one more low to complete the wave 4. Now, I have to say, though, that this structure is quite ambiguous. So I'm tracking this as a WXY structure, with wave Y being an A, B, C. And the C wave could be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the question is, where could that wave 5 of C land? So based on the intraday high, or let's rather say based on this swing high from the 16th of April, what we can do, we take the length of the A wave, okay, go to the high of the B wave, and then we get a Fibonacci level. So that's located around the 82,100 level. That's the 100% extension, but there are two more levels there already. There are different ways how this can be measured, So I'm not going to add that one, but because there are already two at that level, right? 82,233 and 82,114. Overall, I explained that in the last video that I'm giving you all the levels so you can just watch them yourself. And, it depends on how the price reacts to these levels. Or do we actually see a reaction at all? Because for now, they are just levels. I mean, that they work, I think, is clear. Price reacted on Wednesday to a very important one, the 100% extension. And overall, this is the box we're watching overall for the wave 4 as standard support. But then obviously we can look at the micro patterns and identify some more specific, more detailed and more relevant targets. And as I said, we've got here these blue the blue box basically is just one way of measuring and to narrow down the key levels where we expect a reaction to. That's basically based on the WXY pattern here, And as you can see, there seems to be some confluence around 82,100 to $82,200. So for now, we keep an open mind where the price could be going. We don't even have a confirmation technically that we get another low. But for now, that's the potential I'm watching as long as the market holds below Fibonacci resistance at $85,715. A break above that $85,715 level should shift the focus to that next swing high at $87,890 to $90,280. So next two upside levels to watch there. For now, pressure seems downward. However, as you can clearly see, it's more of a sideways consolidation pattern here. It's more of a sideways consolidation. So I'm just highlighting what currently seems to be the most probable pathway, which on the micro pattern level seems to be down for one more low. That's, however, be part of a bullish structure that should give us one more high to complete wave 3, at least one more high. So I did say that even with one more high, we might already call it 5 waves. But for now, that doesn't matter in the short term, right? In the short term, The question is, have we actually bottomed here somewhere? And so far, the evidence is thin. So I need a break above resistance to assume it. I can tell you the correction is already long enough, sideways oriented, it's long enough duration-wise to be considered a fourth wave. It's just that we don't have any impulsive rally from any of the recent lows and not even a break above resistance. That keeps at the moment at least the potential for one more low intact. That's the update about Bitcoin. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.